Sirkal mar piny German biro chiwo omenda mar siling milion 160 mar siro chenro mag bero mwandu ma iting'o ma idendo ni Green Freight Strategy e apaya madongo e nyandwat mar Kenya kata Northern Corridor. Kaokalo kuom bade mar timo dongruok GIZ, sirkal mar German oketora kaachiel kod riwruok mar Northern Corridor Transit and Transport Coordination Authority mar keto mwandu e bero chenro ma olosi. Jatend riwruok mar Northern Transit John Deng wacho ni chenrono geto mar medo kwan mwandu manitie bogi e kargo meli ma Mombasa.
Focus on a project where we can really make a difference in that relatively short amount of time that we have, which is only a year and a half. So therefore, I think we need to be really careful to select projects that really can show visible impact, and we can't solve all the issues within that relatively small amount of time and small amount of budget that we have for this particular project. Just as a caveat for the overall project, I mean, it's a good start. I'm really happy you signed the MOU, but it's a starting point of a journey that we're going together.
We also have a road, for example, connecting Lodwar and Moroto. They're 148 kilometers. That is western Uganda and northwestern Kenya. It's a project that we identified in 2022. We brought the attention of the government of Kenya, and is now put in a national network. It's one project we can present. We also have the famous Juba-Narapa road, on which the World Bank is working on. The areas of stakeholders engagement at the border. There are soft issues that can be addressed as part of the project preparation, and I think that those are projects that are already on the standby to be funded.